Low-effort delicious boiled chicken is tasty and comes with a healthy minimally seasoned soup. This 4 to 6 serving recipe is a fuss-free and goes perfectly with some fluffy white rice or even enjoy as a wrap. The ingredients needed are 1.6 kilograms of whole chicken, washed and cleaned, 25 grams of ginger cut into strips, 20 grams of spring onion with the leaves chopped and the stem intact, 3 liters of water, 250 grams of white radish, 13 grams of cilantro roots, 3 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 25 grams of garlic, peel and wash, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white peppercorn, and 1 tablespoon of goji berries. The full list of ingredients is in the same link. First, prepare the chicken. I will tie the leg of the chicken to keep the drumstick together. Cut about 3/4 foot of twine. Cross the chicken leg and tie them together. Alright, now the chicken legs are secure. Now we will blanch the chicken. Heat the pan with 2 liters of room temperature water over the medium heat. Submerge the chicken in the water and sprinkle all the ginger strip over the chicken. Cover the pot and let it boil together for 20 minutes. This is to remove the surface blood and impurity from the chicken, which make our soup very clear later. Meanwhile, prepare the spices. Put all the washed white peppercorn in a tea bag packet. Set aside with the rest of the spices. Then, remove the stem and peel the skin off the radish. Once done, cut the radish into half and half vertically. Place them side by side and cut them about 2 inches thick. Repeat for the other half. Alright, the radish is done. Wash and set aside. Fill a stock pot with 3 liters of water. Wash and add all the spices and tea packet peppercorn, cilantro roots, the spring onion stock, all garlic, cut radish, and all the salt. Stir to evenly distribute the ingredients and salt. Switch on the heat to medium, cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 15 minutes, let's check on the chicken. Open the lid. See, a lot of impurity and blood has been extracted from the chicken. Turn the chicken so that it can be blanched on the other side too. Cover the lid and let it blanch for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken is ready and has changed color to gray. Carefully remove the chicken from the pot and rest it on the tray or plate. Switch off the heat and discard the water. Then open the lid to the soup. It is just starting to warm up. Gently submerge the chicken into the stock pot. Close the lid and continue to boil. After 15 minutes, see, the soup is boiling vigorously and the chicken is submerged in the soup. Cover the pot, set the heat to low and let it cook for 1.5 hours. Come back and rotate the chicken in between to evenly cook it. After 45 minutes, let's check on the chicken and our soup. Open the lid. Wow, it smells so good. The soup has reduced a little. The chicken is getting cooked, but it's definitely still tough. The vegetable looks quite soft. Flip the chicken gently to soften it evenly. Cover the pot and let it cook for another 45 more minutes. After 45 minutes, open the lid. Wow, this smells amazing. Give it a taste. Yes, a very mild and sweet soup. Wash and add goji berry, stirring to evenly distribute them. Switch off the heat. Sprinkle half of the chopped spring onion over the soup. Cover the lid and let it cool slightly before servings. Alright, now we can remove the chicken from the soup to serve it. Dish out some soup as well. Let's carve the chicken in 2 serving sizes. Place the chicken on a flat surface. Cut the twine with a sharp knife. Guide the blade in between the thigh and body. The joint should be visible. Run the blade through the joint. The leg should be detached easily. This chicken is so soft. Place the thigh on the serving plate. And repeat for the other thigh as well. Slice the breast about half, cutting the bones of the chicken. Cut through the wings joint to detach it. Set the wing on the serving plate. Angle the chicken breast slantingly and cut the serving size pieces. Set them all on the serving plate. Repeat for the other half of the chicken. Cut to the breast meat, gently pushing the breast meat off the bone. Once it is detached, cut downward, following the angle of the rib cage. Set the carcass aside. Detach the wing and set it on the serving plate. Angle the breast meat and cut it slantingly. And we have serving size chicken pieces ready to be served. Serve with sour spicy chicken chili sauce and some light soy sauce. Mix with some chicken soup. To make it glossy, which is optional, pour some gravy over the chicken pieces as well. Garnish with some chopped spring onion and it is ready to serve. Pour some sauce over the chicken. Let's eat! Wow, so soft and tender. It is quite tasty. A little like shortcut chicken rice. Try the soup too. Yummy, very clean tasting and light. Perfect for dinner. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.